What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So iPhone 14 Pro with a gradient color is already criticized on the network. New smartphones or mockups showed live. Sources confirm that Apple will no longer be offering the signature blue color for the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max smartphones. This year it will be replaced by purple. According to previously published information, the iPhone 14 Pro and iPhone 14 Pro Max will be available in 5 colors: silver, gold, graphite, green and purple, while the purple for the older versions will be brighter than the iPhone 14 and iPhone 14 Max. According to my drivers, Chinese users who have already seen the new color live or criticized it and claiming that it turned out to be ugly. Recall that the smartphone in this color has a gradient coating, which changes the shades in the different lighting conditions and at the different angles. Previously, there were rumors that Apple will offer a titanium version of the iPhone 14 Pro, which will be more durable than smartphones made of aluminum and stainless steel. According to the latest news, Apple tested a titanium version of the iPhone 14 Pro, but concluded that the cost of such smartphone would be too high and mass production would be difficult. The source adds that all versions of the iPhone 14 will come with 128GB of storage as standard and 6GB of RAM. The 2TB flash version is not confirmed. The closer the day of the announcement of iPhone 14 smartphones, the more unofficial information about them appears on the network. Insider Ming Chiku has revealed that the 6.1 inches iPhone 14 Pro and 6.7 inches iPhone 14 Pro Max could get an improved ultra-wide-angle camera sensor. Then Shrimp Apple Pro insider spoke about RAM. According to a rumor that may have come from a Foxconn employee, all iPhone models will get 6GB of RAM. This debunks reports that the Pro might have 8GB of storage. Pro versions can get faster and more energy efficient LPDDR5 memory, while the rest will remain on LPDDR4 RAM. Presumably the Pro models will ship in a white box instead of the current black one. The insider also posted an image of the iPhone 14 Pro, where instead of a notch on the screen there is a hole, but it does not match the previous images. There is also an image of a sticker from the iPhone 14 Pro box. The official announcement of the new smartphone is expected to take place on September 7th. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.